Internet land is a busy city full of these blasé storefronts, like some overused one-size-fits-all shoe. Go barefoot with Barefoot Web Development and leave a more personalized impression.
They're shopping with something called Bitcoin. So finding more customers is simple. Just accept Bitcoin instead of cash. Automatically, you'll be added to a directory of people accepting Bitcoin in your neighborhood. So what do? Well, we zap them, layer on the chemicals and toxins. We smash them with electric tennis rackets. Meet your Bodyguard, the non-toxic, DEET-free repellent fashion accessory really bugs mosquitoes.
You should know. Tune Dentistry for your information are funny, short, animated videos about proper dental hygiene, dental restoration, root canals, wisdom teeth, braces, and more.
Oh, yeah, your clothes would always be crinkled and wrinkled too, if Sarah Boone didn't invent the ironing board in 1892.
Night guards. What the brucks? Yes. I see chipped corners, worn edges, gray surfaces. Are you a bruxist? Do you partake in bruxism? Do you like to brux? Bruxism. Sounds a lot cooler than what it actually means.
Somewhere with all that modern stuff.
Somewhere I can get down to business. Most importantly, somewhere my family will be safe.